Hi, to turn on and off battery percentage in status bar on your iPhone 16e, firstly open settings on the phone. Now in your main settings you need to scroll through the list to find battery section, and then you will see this switcher for battery percentage. So you can see that mine is turned off right now, therefore I got just this black plain icon in the status bar. So to check battery percentage, to enable it, we just need to tap on the switcher, and this is the result. As you can see, currently I got 100%. If you decide to turn off battery percentage, you can still check it if you just swipe down from top right corner to trigger control center and take a look right here. So when I'm looking at the status bar like that, I cannot see my battery level, but if I swipe down, I can see it right here, so 100%. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.